Hello guys, how you guys doing today? Today I got another video for you guys. Today what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be changing the brake and the discs on these Nissan Rogue. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys step by steps on how to do it. It's super easy. I mean, anybody can do this if you have some basic tools at home. So just follow me now. We're gonna do this. Just watch as I do this, guys. So it's super easy. I believe by the time I show you these steps, you can actually do it by yourself. You don't need a mechanic, to be able to do this for you. So guys, after you take all the screws out from the caliper, you don't have to lose all the brake. All you just have to do right now is just to take the old caliper. You can take them off once all the bolts are out. So it's super easy to do. So just watch the way I do it. Guys, you can see the old caliper. I took it off. Now all I have to do is just to take the discs. I have to take it out, because once you take the caliper out, right, the old disc itself is now free. Just wiggle and just gonna come right out. That's it. All you just have to do right now is just to put the new one that you just bought. You just put it back into the car. So just I'll let you guys see when I bring the new one out. It's brand new. I bought it from eBay. So definitely the new one just go back in the way, the way I took the old one out, just lining up with the screws, and that'll be it. So after you line it up, right, all you just have to do, the caliper, you just gotta, put it back, the way you took it out from. So it's super easy, anybody can do it. But right now, what I'm doing right now, I'm putting some grease around it, because this is a brand new. So I have to put some grease on it, because you don't want to get some squeezing noise coming out of it. So that's why I'm putting some grease on it. So you also can do it as well. So, and after that, when you put the grease on it, all you just have to do, you take the caliper you took out, then you put it back. So the brakes, the caliper seat. Now I'm trying to put the caliper back. So after you put it, you don't have to disconnect all the caliper itself. So now take all the screws out, and you just put them back. And after that, you have to put some grease all as well on your brakes. So once you put, because it's a brand new brakes all as well, some grease have to be on it. So, and after that, you just put everything, couple it, and that should be it. I mean, anybody can do this, super easy to do. So Guys, what I'm trying to do right here, I'm trying to brush all the dirt on the caliper. I'm trying to brush them out just because they're used, there might be dirt on them, so I don't want them to get on the new discs and the new brakes I'm trying to put on. So I'm just using a wire brush just to brush it a little bit, and after that, you see I'm putting some grays on as well. So because it's all this thing, when you take them out, you just gotta make sure you put some grays on it before you put them back on. And also that clip, right? Make sure the clip you're changing it comes with your new brakes. Sometimes there might be some squeezy noise. If you don't change it, you have to make sure you change that clip. It might be little, but you have to change it sometimes to make your job easy to. So guys, right now what I want to do right now is just I'm trying to install the new brakes. So all I have to do, I have to make sure I apply some grease onto the brake all as well because they're brand new. Just got to wipe it up around them a little bit because you don't want to hear some squeezy noise by the time you're actually applying it, because the new brake definitely going to squeeze, so and you don't want all that to happen. So you see what I'm doing? After I put grease on it, I just put it right away onto the new disc. So it's super easy, super cool. I mean, anybody can do this yourself to change your brake. Now what I want to do right here, the brake caliper, when you you have to push, you have to use a C clamp to push the brake caliper back up so that the caliper will be able to fit in the new brake, because due to the pump, hydraulic pump, you pump the brake, so the part of the brake caliper is going to be out. So what I'm doing right here is I'm just trying to push it back, right? So with my C clamp, so when I push it back, it will be able to fit in into the new brake. So that's what I'm doing right here. It's super easy to do. I mean, anybody can do it.